Hello mushroom growers, how are you? Myself Apurva Kumar Singh, website developer and computer programmer, and as you know mushroom cultivation is my hobby, and button mushroom cultivation session is coming soon. So in this video I will discuss about how to maximize shelf life of mushrooms, that is practical SOPs for harvest, packaging, transport and storage. Why mushrooms spoil fast? Mushrooms have high water content, nearly 90%, high respiration rate, active enzymes, polyphenol oxidase that cause browning, very delicate surface tissue. Spoilage accelerates due to heat stress, mechanical damage, microbial contamination, improper packing and storage temperature. The rule: start strong, stay strong. If mushrooms are grown under optimal conditions, they have strong cell walls, resist decay longer, maintain firmness in storage, meaning shelf life starts during cultivation stage, not at harvest stage. If quality during growth is weak, that is, no storage method can fix it later. Casing management determines shelf life. Case run period, time after casing layer applied, directly influences mushroom structure, uniformity, water distribution, future microbial resistance. Goal during casing: what should we do during casing? Develop uniform mycelium throughout the casing layer. This ensures mushrooms grow evenly, less bacterial blotch and browning, higher shelf life. Benefits of good casing and panning: when casing conditions are correct, mushrooms are firm and heavy. Water movement inside mushroom is balanced. Mushrooms stay white longer. Shelf life increases naturally. Harvest becomes more predictable. Bag or bed looks clean, means better commercial appearance. Picking technique affects shelf life also. Correct picking method: pick young caps, margin still curved, twist gently, don't pull or tear. Do not wet mushrooms before packing. Sort out open, damaged, bruised pieces. Picking late means shorter shelf life. Older mushrooms have more enzymatic browning, faster softening, reduced commercial quality, overpinning control. Overpinning means too many baby pins remaining. Problems caused: stress on mushrooms, weaker cell walls. Mushrooms appear weak, thin, bruised. Shelf life reduced. Correct approach: achieve controlled pin set, not maximum pins. That is, work on quality, not quantity. Maintain balanced microclimate during pinning. Result: mushrooms remain dense, firm, white, means longer storage. Create a storage friendly mushroom. During growth, what should we do? Maintain proper airflow. Maintain correct humidity 85 to 95%. Avoid sudden temperature swings. Give proper night-day carbon dioxide control. Goal: grow mushrooms that naturally stay firm and resist browning. So we does not use chemical at this stage. If mushrooms that naturally stay firm and resist browning. If the mushroom is strong before harvest, means storage become easy. Rules for success: build a strong mushroom during growth, harvest at the correct maturity, handle gently, cool as soon as possible, keep it simple and repeatable. Consistency means better shelf life. Summary: a summary table is coming on the screen. At what stage, what are key actions, and what is the purpose of these key actions. So at growing stage, uniform casing and control pinning builds a strong mushroom structure. At harvest stage, harvest young, handle gently, avoid bruising and browning. Post harvest, rapid pre-cooling 2 to 4 degrees centigrade, slow respiration and enzyme browning. At storage stage, high humidity 90 to 95%, stable temperature, prevent drying and microbial spoilage. So that is for today. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Mushroom Kings and my website mushroomgarden.in. Here my WhatsApp number is showing on the screen, and if any person have any important information about mushroom, they can send at my WhatsApp number and I will take that information in my video with the sender name. So that is for today. Thank you.